between, I'm creating a line between this point and the center of the circle, which was this one, right? Is this good with everyone? Sure. Right. Now what am I going to do is I'm going to rotate this. What am I going to do is I'm going to rotate this line that I have created. What am I going to rotate it above? I'm going to rotate it along the center, which will be my center of my circle. So I'm rotating my line along the center of the circle. Yes, fine. See, if you don't give center of rotation, what will happen is, let's say for example, if your xy, let's say your 0 0 is here, right? Xy 0 0 is here, right? And if your line is over here, and if you rotate it, by default it will rotate along 0 0. So it will rotate like this. What I want to do is I want to rotate it along the circle, the center. Is everyone fine till here? Anyone having any issues? No issues? Okay. Then what am I going to use as my angles? I'm going to use this one, right? This output values from here. So now what I have with me is I have something like this. Right? Is everyone fine with this one? Yes or no? Yep. And now what I... Yes, Jaruti.
Can you repeat this part? What did you rotate? You rotated it. Can you explain rotate?
I just rotated this line along the center.
Yeah.
Using the angle that I got it from there, from my edges.
Okay. Okay. And the first line is random line.
First line is random, but again, if I change my first line, my second line will also change, right? Because I'm keeping the second angle to the first one. So it doesn't matter where I take my first line.
Okay.
Makes sense now? Everyone? Okay. Now what am I going to do is I'm just going to scale this. Right, I'm going to scale this geometry. What am I going to use as my endpoint? I'm going to use this is endpoint. So I'm going to find endpoints of these lines, right, that I have rotated, and I'm going to scale it along this center, and I'm going to keep a factor of 0.5. 0.5. I'm going to do the same thing for the original line, right? So I'm going to do the same thing for the original line, and here my center will be this point over here, right? So what I did over here essentially is I scaled it like this. I scale both the curves because I don't want my curve to get, because if I essentially afterwards I'm going to laser cut, I'm going to create a groove over here, and I'm going to create a groove over here. If I create a groove till the center, this part will just chip off. Makes sense that I'll have to not it like this. How many of you are good till here? Everyone? Okay. Now the last thing that I need to do is I have to give labels to this, right? So I'm getting my labels out of here. What I'll do is I'll create a text. Again, I'll go to text parameter over here. What will be my location? I want to place it on centers, right? Center of these circles, which will be here. What will be my text? My text will be coming out from B, and I just will change then my size. Not 50, I'll keep it 5. Right? So now what will happen is I have something like this. Right? So this circle will be used for edge 24. Right? Which is over. Right? If you see over here, I have different edges and I have corresponding circles over here. Does it make sense? Yep. And basically this is then my third part of my script. So this script is divided into 3 parts. First is creating geometry, then is creating the triangles, and then is the arranging joineries, creating joineries. right? If you had to make this in real life, this is basically your concept, right? And then you add more and more layers to it. You add solar analysis to it, and then you add material thicknesses to it, and then you add fillets to it so that people don't get cut, and lots of, then you add structure to it, then you add foundation to it, all of that. But this is basically achieving the form. This is like concept developing. जैसे हम sketch करते हैं ना, is the same thing for grasshopper. This is your first initial sketch. Is it good with everyone?
Adnan, can you zoom out on the last part, the scale, where you did scale?
The reason why I did not upload this script yesterday was because I wanted to explain it first, and now I'm going to save this and upload it, right? So that you can all of you can practice. Anyone having any conceptual issues? You are not understanding something. Chakshit, are you saying something? Pranjal, are you good?
Yes,
Is my mic on? Is my speaker on mute? I'm not hearing.
yes, Adnan.
Okay, great. Atish, are you good?
You mentioned about all those layers like structure and
Yes.
all those is done in Grasshopper itself.
Yes, it's done in Grasshopper.
Okay. So it's done by architects or professionals? The
What?
professionals.
By
Like the
architects?
structure part is done by
Yes. So basically, if you want to analyze structure, you use a plugin called Karam. It helps you to analyze structures.
Okay.
But yes, it's done by architects. There are, I know, engineers who use Grasshopper, but very few, like one or two only I know
Okay.
around the India. Okay. Anything else? Anyone? I hope today was better than yesterday. A lot better.
Adan, can I share my screen?
Yes. The only thing I can help is be patient with you. But beyond the point, it's very hard. Yes. Jai Shah.
Yeah. Can you see it now? Hello.
हाँ दिख रहा है.
So basically, this is my mesh,
हाँ.
but when I try to, deconstruct the points into
But जय तेरे पास मैश है जो उसमें
हाँ.
3 पॉइंट्स है ना.
हाँ.
Triangles ही है सब. तो how are you getting corner D? And why are you getting corner D? Corner D को delete करो.
Yeah. Okay. But the thing is, then why I'm getting all the, just a minute. These are the same points. If I select all of them, I don't get
No,
the
they are not
different.
the same points. They are overlapping. If you see, मतलब
Okay.
जगह एक ही है but overlap होते हैं ना 3 points.
Right.
हाँ.
Okay. Then
Four
what
points
surface is visible? Hello.
Surface, you can't see the surface.
No.
Can you right click? हाँ zoom करो उस पे canvas पे right click and zoom.
Just a minute.